I'm going to show you how to make eggplant chicken fritters with a sweet and sour apricot dipping sauce. These delicious fritters can be shared as an appetizer or served as a complete meal with rice. Start by preparing the chicken. Remove the skin from the chicken thigh. Cut the meat into pieces. Peel 1 clove of garlic and chop them together. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of fried spice powder, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well. The fried spice powder will give the fritters a specific and authentic Chinese flavor. Cut an eggplant in half lengthwise, then into pieces, with each piece having 4 slices attached together. The slices are about 0.3 inch thick. Cover them with the thin layer of all-purpose flour. It will allow the filling and batter to adhere. Spread some filling between the slices. Don't put too much. Gently press on the eggplant piece to open it slightly, like a fan. To make the dipping sauce, in a bowl put 2 tablespoons of apricot jam, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of ground pepper. In China, we like to enjoy fritters with a salty and tangy plum sauce. Here, the sauce is also fruity and sweet and sour. For the batter, in a large bowl, put 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, mix. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, mix. Add 1 cup of water, mix. The flour gives consistency to the batter, while the cornstarch lightens its texture. The oil is hot. Proceed in 2 batches. Dip a piece of eggplant into the batter, making sure it is well coated, and put it in the oil. Let them fry for 4 minutes on high heat. Flip them over from time to time. After 4 minutes, they are nicely golden. Remove them and place them on the rack. The eggplant and chicken fritters are ready. We enjoy them as a complete meal with jasmine rice and another dish. Here, sauteed mushrooms and tofu with satay powder.
Bon appétit!
Bon appétit! The fritters are crispy on the outside, the eggplant is tender, and the chicken is deliciously flavored. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.